One of the hardest parts of running an employee assistance program, or EAP, is raising awareness and encouraging employees to actually use it. That's why at Kyan Health we created the Asset Builder, which is a self-serve tool that lets you create fully customizable communication materials in just minutes. You'll find the Asset Builder inside our Kyan Engage platform. Now, let me show you how the Asset Builder works. Let's say you want to create a content nudge to remind your employees to use the self-care resources in the Kyan Health app. To do that, you go to the Asset Builder, which can be found under the Communication tab in Kyan Engage, and then click Create New. Once you click Create New, here you will be prompted to add your company logo. While this step is optional, adding your logo helps keep all employee-facing materials on brand. You click to upload, then you select File, and you add your logo, and in this case we're adding the logo of our client on. You click Save. Next, you can choose the language for your content nudge. For this example, we'll select English, but you'll see later that you can add as many languages as you need to support your workforce. Then you select the asset type, and in this case we want to create a content nudge. And this is where you'll see a set of ready-made presets, each designed around common employee well-being needs that you can use and edit. You can see more presets by clicking See All, but for now, let's say we want to go with a sleep and wind down preset, and then we click it, and then we click Generate Asset. Now this is where the magic happens, because here you can customize your content nudge as you wish. You can edit the text, you can replace the image, you can remove the logos, and this allows you to create well-designed assets even without any design skills. Now let's say you want to edit the text to say something like struggling with sleep, and then maybe you want to shorten the subline to say explore the self-care resources in the Kyan Health app. Let's say you're satisfied with the content nudge, and to complete your design you simply click on Complete. Here you can give the asset a name and add any other additional languages that you may need. For example, let's say your employees also speak French. You can search for French, select it, and then click Save. Now that the assets are generated, you'll be redirected to the reusable library of campaign assets. Here you can see and download the assets you created. And if you notice anything you'd like to change, you can simply select the asset and then click Edit. So no need for you to regenerate it from scratch. And that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to create communications assets with Kyan Health's Asset Builder.